Which sports are the most profitable on 1xBet? Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the 4 available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. Well, first of all, football, the most popular with endless betting markets. You can also find all the sports category going to menu, sports, and for example, click into live. And here you have the list of all different category and the sport. So as you can see, tennis is on the second place. It's great for live betting since momentum changes fast. Then we have basketball, good for over-under points strategies. Then you also have other sports like ice hockey, volleyball, table tennis, but also one of the rising fast is the e-sport with lots of value bets if you know the scene. But one important pro tip: profitability depends on your knowledge. Stick to sports you understand best. That's where the money is. And if you enjoyed it, may put like, subscribe, and see you soon.